Hello, our Kitty Can Draw friends. We're drawing Sonic today. Don't blink or you might miss it. So let's start. First, draw a wide letter V with a curved bottom. Then draw an upside down letter U on each side and make them slightly tilted. Connect both sides with a wavy line. Inside, draw a curve on each side. And a smaller curve in the inner part of each side for the eyes. Draw a half oval shape inside the eye and the smaller one inside for the iris and the pupil. Color the pupil, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other eye. Draw a half circle under the eyes part to make the nose and mouth part. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Inside, draw a triangular shape for the nose and color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Draw a curved line under it for the mouth, ending with a curve on the left side. Draw a curved line going up from each side of the nose and mouth part. On top of each line, draw an upside down letter V for the ears. Draw a smaller one inside and connect it at the bottom with a curved line for some details inside each ear. Draw half an oval shape connecting the ears at the top for the top of the head. Draw two letter V's facing sideways on each side of the face and make each one a little curved so it would look a little like the shark fin to make Sonic's spikes. Under the face on the left side, draw a curved line right under the spike, going to the right then down. Make a mirror image of this line on the other side. Draw a tiny line coming out from the left spike, then a half circle connecting the two lines together, then another two similar half circles. For the fist, draw a large half circle, leaving a space near the bottom in which draw a small half circle and a curved line. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other arm and fist. Draw a curved line coming down diagonally from each side of the body, going outwards. Then draw a large half circle under them to make the two legs. Draw two half circles at the end of each leg. Then draw a line coming down from each side and connect them together at the bottom with a curved line. Decorate this part with some wavy lines. Repeat the same step on the other side to make the top parts of the shoes. To finish the left shoe, draw a vertical line coming down from the inner side. Draw a diagonal line coming down from the outer side. Connect them at the bottom with a wavy line. Then make a similar wavy line under it for the sole of the shoe. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other shoe. Decorate the top of each shoe with a couple of curved lines. Draw a circle in the middle of Sonic's body for the belly. Supersonic speed! Now you can draw Sonic from Sonic 3 the movie. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.